Good. Shouldn't you be in front, Pratt? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you're clear for launch.
We're rolling up.
Pokhara-bound personnel, this is your final call for war. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Open another hyperdrive.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also. Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Hyperdrive systems normal. Engage performance. Hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
It's up to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is under the command of the First Order. You're gonna disembark into interrogation, so get it out now.
You can double stack.
4 along the wall, single file.
4, line up right here, one behind the other. And don't move. You're gonna line up right next to them, one behind the other. Single file. One of you. There we go, that's better, I guess. Alright, both lines this way. Wait here for now. You two are supposed to go down there. Stay there for now. The next lieutenant will deal with you.
Name a coach.
This way, let's go. This line, stop here. How many? 2 on red, face me. How many? 2 on red, face me. How many? 4 on blue, face me. How many?
4.
4 on orange. 2 on silver. And 2 on silver.
Unit of 8 all the way down.
Now, resistance guys, pay attention, look down at the ground. I have just assigned you a color and we will memorize yours. Blue, red, silver, orange. Once you are directed to do so, you will enter the cell, find the same color that you're on right now, and wait on that color only. If you're wearing a bag of any kind or any loose cargo on the very top of your head, move these items now and hold them in your hands. Bags include anything on your back, waist, or across your body. If you're unsure if you're wearing a bag, did you forget how you dressed yourself? That'd be mildly concerning. Loose cargo includes hats, sunglasses, secondary ears, anything sitting on the very top of your head will be removed now, held onto, and stowed away for your interrogation. Neither of these are suggestions. Take those ears off for interrogation. The ears, just the ears. Yes, you can keep the glasses on your face. Just don't push them to the top of your head. What's that? What did I say? There we go. Perfect. Silver and orange. Find orange.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
sure? Let's go. On your left is blue and red. Red in the back. Blue and red in the back. On your right is silver and
Let's go.
in the back. Silver in the front. Orange in the back. Let's go. Let's go.
Lieutenant Mac, we need to find a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Back up on that yellow cap on the right hand side. Same thing on that yellow cap on the right hand side. On the yellow cap. On the yellow cap from you, man. All arms up, all arms up. Keep them up at the same time. And perfect. Arms go back down. Running up towards our close in. Close all those tentacles, pick up all right here. This is the R5. It's going to get you guys back from the bottom to safely. Are you ready?
Yeah.
No one wants to stay here with the first order. You sure? Yeah. Alright, let's work through it, you guys.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching it. Let's get lock breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection is level D.
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's the floors. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan my copy here. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.